We are human backhoes in this tractor video. Am I right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let me talk about the rice a little bit. I mean, why we're draining right now, and that is because these rice kernels here have filled up. They're starting to form actually the rice that you guys will eventually be eating. And one way we determine to see whether or not the rice is ready or the field is ready to be drained, we'll pinch the kernels, and you see how that milky-like substance came out? That means they're starting to fill. See all that? All these kernels, and they fill up from the top down. So if you pinch up here, it's going to be a little bit harder, more mealy, kind of chalky a bit. There you can start to see the kernels already started to form. You can visually see that by the spikelet here leaning over up on top because these kernels have filled, but this spikelet here, for example, is standing still straight up, so they're not as heavy. But once we start seeing this milky-like substance that's going to turn into the rice kernel forming down here on the bottom, you can see it on my fingernail, kind of see that? That's when we know that the fields are ready to drain, because by the time the water gets off the drain, these will continue to fill, continue to get hard, like rice, you know, and then we'll have rice that's ready to be harvested at optimal harvest moisture, that's ripe enough, and the fields are dry enough so we can enter and not have to harvest in the mud or in standing water. So there's a balance. Getting the water off fast enough, also getting it off to where the rice kernels are ready to be harvested. We don't want to get the water off too early because that could kill the plant before all the kernels fill, which would be detrimental to yield. How'd that sound, dude?
Nothing beats manual labor.
Heck yeah. Hashtag crop fit. Hey Tristan, you watch any other farmers doing YouTube videos?
Oh yeah.
Like who?
Oh, there's Big Tractor Power, there's Welker Farms, there's the Millennial Farmer. Ah. Let's see. There's Cole the Corn Star, seen him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's a pretty cool kid, huh?
Yeah. Good kid. Got a lot on his plate.
Yeah, we all do, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's part of farming.
Anyone do any draining on YouTube?
You know, I've never seen a draining video.
Oh, dude, we're the only ones doing draining videos?
I think so.
Sweet. Does anyone else use a shovel on any of those YouTube channels? Like brooms in the grain bin, I guess?
Seen brooms.
Not much shovel work, huh?
Uh-uh.
Dude, we might be the only ones doing shovel work.
It's alright.
Yeah, I guess that's what makes us unique, huh?
It does.
Aside from this pretty beautiful scenery behind us.
That California weather.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. That's what makes it
102 degrees.
102 degrees with a shovel, huh?
Oh yeah.
If the blade of the shovel's too hot to the touch, then you know you're working right.
Yep, that's right. You ain't working right till you're sweating either.
You sweating already?
Oh yeah.
Oh dude, come on, man. I guess I've been holding the camera. All right, let's go. Some of this work is just pulling weeds. Sometimes or rice leaves, rice plants. Sometimes it's just easier than trying to chop them. If you're gonna say anything, it has to be kind of like you're yelling it a little bit, kind of far away, and I don't have a good microphone on the camera, so I suppose just introduce yourself.
I'm Tristan. We're doing draining for 2019. Getting ready, clear all the drains of debris, toolies, rice, get a nice even flow so we can get the water off the check as quick as possible so we can cut the rice.
It's pretty good, dude.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah, the only problem was I wasn't recording. How's it look?
Decent. A lot of moss.
How's it look?
A lot of trash.
How's it look?
Not as bad as the last one.
I just wanted to get in front of the camera a little bit just so you guys didn't think that I was letting Tristan do all the work and I was recording, but from here on out, Tristan is going to be doing all the work and I'll be recording. Can you come over a little closer? I just want to give the audience here a little close-up. So you guys see all this rice that started growing in front of the rice box here? Of course, the water's flowing this way, so we're going to need to take out this rice and just lose it, you know? We want to make open waterway like Tristan said. Can you see over there in the distance? This area here where there's a little waterway, way back during spring work, that's what Pops made by putting in those drains with that ditcher. I think I've got a clip that I can show you guys of him doing that. Now we're using these drains again that we put in the spring to get all this water off the field. And right now all we're doing is cleaning out these waterways, coming over to the box here, and of course there's mud that's slumped into the box. Right here, you see that? Got a good shot of mud. Mm-hmm. Tossing it. Dude, that was a pretty good sneeze. Ugh. All right, so that's what we're doing. You want to get some shots of me shoveling mud?
All the mud that came out of the box.
Heck yeah, man, you're doing a great job. That's going to be a clean flowway, huh?
Oh yeah. Quicker the water gets off, quicker we can get started.
Sounds good to me, man.
On to the next one.
All right. Oh look, I found a weed in our rice field. That's the only weed you guys are gonna see out in our rice field. Otherwise it's totally clean. See? Oh, wait. Man, wait. That's a good idea of how the Thule root system works. You see here, this plant right here, these kernels, browned, hanging, that right there is blackbird damage. As the rice kernels are filling with that milky-like substance that I showed you earlier, the blackbirds will swoop down and pick at that and drink that milk straight out of the kernel, and it will die, and of course not be viable, not fill, and that's what it looks like. It looks like it's dead. These kernels here, just fine. You can see probably this gap here is where some other dead kernels that were plucked by the blackbirds fell off. So that is what a rice plant looks like that has blackbird damage. And if you get a lot of blackbirds out here, that could be detrimental to the yield. Fortunately, as I'm looking around immediately around me, that's really the only plant that I saw that got plucked up. They got nipped by the blackbirds. So Tristan, what's the worst part of shoveling?
When the mud sticks to the shovel and it doesn't come off for nothing.
Yeah.
Makes your shovel about 30 pounds.
Yeah, I agree, dude. This is adobe soil, so it's
sticky.
clay-like, yeah. So it sticks to the shovel more times than not.
Oh yeah.
Cheers. You're the tractor of this video, man.
Am I?
Yeah.
All right.
You're the human backhoe, dude.
Need some fuel.
Me too. We need
About
some beef
lunchtime?
jerky or something? No, dude, it's only like 10:30. It feels like it's afternoon though. Let's go.
Yeah. On to the next one.
Irrigation ditch, bridge to get across to the rice box. Sun beating down on us. We're done with this field, right, dude?
Besides the wind breaks.
Yeah, we still got to go out into the middle of the field and do those boxes. But this is at least the end of the video for today, right?
Yep.
Okay. You want to give the kids out there a special message or anything?
Food grows where water flows.
That's right, man. Amen, brother.
In Biggs, California, the heart of rice country.
Yeah. All right, dude. Thanks for being a part of the video with me, Tristan.
Oh, I enjoyed it. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks, man. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. That was making a lot of hard work fun. Filming and thinking about things to share and show you. I'm signing off. Halfway taking a nap right now, actually. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. The usual. Take care. See you next week. Tristan, we gonna do that school bus video?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. See ya.